Hi coffee beans! How's it brewing? I'm here for another surprise video with my husband. Hi husband. So for today's video, we are going to be making a craft kit because that kind of seems like what I do when my husband's here. But we're going to be making the Dabble Lab Reveal Secret Message Slime. But I do want to say, I have a special message for you guys, so stay tuned to the end of the video to see that. So this one caught our eye because it has a secret message with a blacklight pen. And we're not really sure how, what the material of the slime is that you're able to write a secret message on it. So, and it's color changing, but I think the color changing is just the secret message.
Yeah.
I think the light maybe turns the slime purple, except for the ink. I'm not sure. Oh, I did want to point out, some of you know that I am a children's librarian. So for us, what you may not know is STEAM is a really big deal. And STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Math, which is something that most kids, teens, and even adults like me practice in just everyday art or creating or science or whatever. And this kit claims to be aligned with STEAM and that it's even created by STEAM educators. So, I mean, not that I don't believe that, and I do think that this slime could be STEAM, but I'm curious what that means, so I'm going to probably look that up and see what they mean by educator.
Anytime I see something that says it's like STEAM certified or STEM or whatever, it immediately puts an expectation that there has to be a learning aspect.
Yes.
That's what we've come to expect with these kind of things.
Yes, I agree. So, for example, a good STEAM activity with this would be that they explain to you why sodium tetraborate turns the material into slime.
Mm.
But they're probably not going to do that.
They're probably a booklet or something.
Exactly. It's probably just going to be mix the glue with the sodium with the water and you get slime.
Yeah.
But they don't tell you why. Same with I wonder how it is that the ink is blacklight ink.
Oh, I just realized this. So it was the STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Math. Magic Reveal. It's
alchemy?
Right. So here we're all talking about science and factual things. Magic Reveal.
That's so true.
There goes that.
I guess, you could argue alchemy is a mix of magic and science.
Yeah.
But hey, if this turns to gold,
get it.
I am down.
Get it.
Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. Oh God, okay.
So it's like I see.
Oh, so it is a felt tip. Go ahead and write something. Just for argument's sake. I mean, it's very dark in here.
Hi.
Oh!
You
can kind of see it.
Alright.
Okay. So let's get to mixing, or looking at the stuff. We got our glue, which anytime I see orange and green reminds me of Nickelodeon.
Mm-hmm.
Sodium tetrasorbate. Tetraborate.
Like the borax.
Instructions. And a spoon! And this looks like for sea monkeys.
Mm.
You want to overactivate to make it more rubbery. This makes it easier to write a message on.
I am seeing about here how the LED blacklight pen works.
Hey, that's cool.
It says the ink in the pen is made with fluorescents. Fluorescents don't typically glow on their own. They need light, and they tend to glow with the brightest under a blacklight, which is the kind of light you are shining from the pen. Most common fluorescent inks are typically found in highlighters. Use a highlighter to color a swatch on paper. It's bright in normal light, but now take into dark space and shine the pen light. Does it shine even brighter and maybe glow in the dark? Check out other items around your house, such as bananas or eggs, and see what glows.
A banana?
A banana!
One thing that, aren't fluorescents in a fluorescent bulb, as they get hot, they move, and that's what makes it light?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, it's like what energized particles.
Yeah,
I guess.
yeah. Science.
Science.
Steam.
Steam.
Okay, so 20 milliliters of warm water. So add that. And then half a spoonful of the sodium.
I mean, honestly, it's easier to do this.
Yeah. Add about half a bottle of the glue to the bowl. $30 ml of room temperature water to the glue. Oh, okay, now you're supposed to add a little bit of the activator as we stir. Ooh! Ooh!
Was it already?
Yeah, it's getting a little thicker.
Oh, okay.
Okay, maybe add a little bit more.
Oh.
Oh! Oh!
Ooh.
It's really...
Is it really Slimygloopy?
Yeah, look at it.
Oh, goodness.
Slime. I just realized what you said. Ew. Oh!
There's always a plop. Every video I do, there's always a plop.
Always.
Or a squish or something.
I think it's time to start playing with it with your hands. Because this is literally, that was the whole, that was the steam activity.
Oh, okay.
That was it. Mix two things, put them together. Oh god.
Whoa.
Yeah! Yeah. I think it's overactivated.
That's what they wanted, right?
Yeah, they said they would write better if it's overactivated.
Alright, let me see that pen.
Is it high with a heart?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa. Now, let me see what happens when I mix it up. Oh. Let's see if the ink stays in there. Oh,
Whoa! That looks so cool!
that does. It looks like some kind of like alien organs or something.
Ew! It got looser. The slime did, I mean.
Yeah. I mean, I would have fun with just that.
Yeah. You! Oh no!
Like, oh wow, hey!
I know, that looks really good.
Dope. Like,
Looks really
like
good.
you're sitting here and one day you come in and you're like, oh, there's ectoplasm everywhere. It's a message from the beyond.
So, husband has a cool surprise.
Dinosaurs. Well, Stegosaurus. Whoa, I found this like years ago.
A long
like
time ago.
multiple years
A long
ago.
time ago.
Yeah, and it's glow in the dark. And I was like, what better craft to do this with than the slime? I think we're gonna try and give him some gooey. He's like a ghost.
Ew,
He's like a ghost
covered in ectoplasm.
Oh my god, he's like a ghost Stegosaurus. Let's try and get his weights.
No, my husband's like a hobbyist paleontologist.
You know. hey, like this is like not that bad. Okay, let's see. I mean, that looks cool on its own.
It really does. Oh, it's so cool! everybody, that is it for this craft kit today. I'll let you guys watch as husband plays a little bit with the glow-in-the-dark dino.
It was fun.
Yeah, no, I mean, by all means. I hope you guys liked this video. I know you guys have said that you enjoy seeing, or rather listening, to my husband and I banter back and forth. So I have a couple more craft kits to do with him while we are stuck inside. Kind of a good opportunity to do some of these craft kits, actually. I hope all of you are staying safe and well. I will see you guys next Monday with another video. And don't forget to click that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. I post every Monday. Alright, everybody. I'll see you later. Love you a latte. Hi, Coffee Beans. It's my face. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. I just wanted to take a minute to give a special thank you to all of you. I recently hit 100 subscribers on YouTube and my mind is blown. I know that 100 subscribers isn't really that big of a deal to most people. I mean, there's YouTubers out there with a couple 100,000 subscribers and those out there with 1 million or more subscribers. So 100 seems like this much, but to me it's like this much. It's such an amazing thing to me. My mind is blown. Now, a bunch of you have been with me from the beginning, and you comment on every video, and you like every video, and you followed me on Instagram, and I just want to say thank you to all of you. You hold a special place in my heart, and every time you comment, it just makes me smile, and I just really appreciate it. I wanted to also give a special shout out to 2 of you who went out of your way to share my YouTube on your Instagram stories. I want to say a huge thank you to the Beta Stage and Mr. Sprocket Imaginarium. The 2 of you shared my YouTube on your stories, and you didn't have to do that. And it just absolutely made my day that you did that. And because of you, I've gained some subscribers, and that helped get me over the edge into 100, and I just can't tell you thank you enough. This was just my long-winded and semi-emotional way of telling you thank you. Thank you so much for watching my channel and sharing my videos and commenting and liking. I just really appreciate it. Thanks, you guys. Until next week. Alright, let's clean up my nasty hand. Did I roll over your foot? I'm so sorry. I'm